Positioned with privacy and seclusion in mind, this eco-friendly architectural home is very unique. Located just over an hour north of Auckland and minutes to the Tiari Point surf beach, I am proud to showcase this property to you. Hi, Stephen St James, Bayleys Mangawhai, and welcome to 39C Cemetery Road, Tiari. The central living space opens up fully with recessed sliders on both sides to enjoy the outdoors all year round. With a strong emphasis on energy usage and sustainability, the home has low E glass to maintain warmth in winter and deflect the heat in summer. Extensive insulation, a pyroclastic wood burner, solar panels and a smart hot water cylinder ensure minimal electricity bills. This 4-bedroom home with the olive grove and pristine natural surrounding landscape has so much to offer. Situated close to the new Tiari Links golf courses and the growing township of Mangawhai. One exceptional home, one smart buyer and one phone call away. Your early inspection is highly recommended.